Hey folks, so far today the radar has stayed quiet over deep south Texas, and it may stay that way for a while, but as we get into the weekend, even into later tonight, there's potential for a shower or thunder shower. Better chance, though, probably tomorrow night. That looks to be the best chance as we go into the weekend. Let's go a little bit wider and look to the north. Big-time thunderstorms in the middle of Texas, Austin, kind of between two lines right now. One back into the hill country, not far from Kerrville, places like that, Junction, and then more over the mountains of Mexico. It's the stuff over in Mexico we're watching to see if something could fire up just to the west of the valley again tonight and move eastward. It hasn't happened yet, but that stuff fires up about 6 or 7 o'clock, so we'll have to watch. Cloud covers become thick across the valley from the storms way up to the northwest. Notice how the clouds are moving in our general direction, and thunderstorms that fire up that way should move in this general direction as well, so it bears watch. This is future track, and it keeps most of the stuff up north up there, but notice how showers get close to the valley by early in the morning and then kind of fade away. They try, but that capping inversion we talk about so often is still here. And so stuff could come in, but if anything goes severe, that would be quite extreme. We don't think we'll see that tonight, but a shower or thunder shower is certainly a possibility. Now you get into tomorrow, and you saw that line coming down from the north. It fades before it gets here as well, so most of tomorrow probably rain-free. There is the chance for a pop-up shower thunderstorm during the afternoon into the evening, but then it's tomorrow night when we see this line coming down. This is 2 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. If anything has the best chance to become severe and move into the valley, it's probably this one. It doesn't look severe here, but this is when the atmosphere doesn't have as much of a cap over it anymore. We start to kind of let it destabilize a little bit, so there's potential that maybe we could see something tomorrow night into Saturday morning, and then after that, scattered showers possible all the way into and through the weekend. Each day, there's a possibility of some clouds and rain around the valley. I think the best chance, again, for severe weather is tomorrow night into Saturday morning, and, you know, during the daytime, tomorrow 20%, but tomorrow night we go up to about a 40 to even 50% chance during the overnight hours. Daytime Saturday 30 to 40%, and then Sunday about 40% as well. So we're just gonna have to watch that sky over the next couple of days. These are the current temperatures, 80s and 90s across the valley. Overnight we all end up in the mid 70s again. We're watching for the possibility of a shower thunderstorm later on, and then tomorrow we're back up about the same as today, 80s and 90s, close to 90 as an average across the valley. Normal highs 88. We'll be above that the next couple of days, and then Sunday maybe a little bit cooler, courtesy of that extra chance for a few showers. Around South Texas, 90 in Laredo, but only 78 in San Antonio, 69 San Angelo, 63 in Lubbock. There's the front. Thunderstorms race out ahead of that, but most of them die before they get here. But that same front in the same place for 2 or 3 more days, which means they continue to see rain in the middle of Texas. Eventually, the front stalls just to the north of us. So we stay on the warm and soupy side of it, which means our chance of rain will continue all the way into early next week. Things finally moving out by about Wednesday or so. The chance of severe weather, there's a slight risk. That's number 2 on the scale of 1 to 5 in the middle and southwest Texas. Marginal just to the north of the valley, and non-severe expected over the valley. You can see Hidalgo, Willacy, Cameron County in the non-severe range with the marginal risk of 1 on the scale of 1 to 5. Marginal risk for severe storms in the western part of the valley. This is for tomorrow night. Again, marginal risk means isolated severe storms possible. Non-severe means no severe weather expected, but that doesn't mean we can't have a thunderstorm, but it's not severe. Take a look at the rest of Texas. It's a mess tomorrow. Showers and thunderstorms pretty much statewide. Temperatures 60s and 70s early, topping out in the 70s across most of the state. Your first 1-5 accurate weather forecast for tonight then. 76 breezy and muggy with an isolated thunderstorm. Tomorrow back up to 91. Can't rule out a thunderstorm. Best chance is overnight tomorrow night into Saturday morning on Election Day. Scattered storms continue to be a possibility. For Sunday, still an isolated thunderstorm. That goes all the way into Tuesday. I think by Wednesday, most of it should be out of here. That's your updated first 1-5 accurate weather forecast.